right? So what we can write here, 1 plus sine theta by cos theta. We can write it here. One plus sine theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta, bracket close. Again we can write here 1 plus cos theta by sine theta minus 1 by sine theta. Hope this is clear to everyone, right? We converted tan theta into this form, sec theta into this form. Okay. Again, those who don't know the formula, please tell me. I'll just remind you the formulas. Okay. So we can write here, or we can write, just take the LCM of here. What we can write here, LCM? Cos theta is LCM. 1 plus sine theta plus 1.
Sir, your voice is low.
Voice is low. I don't know what happened to this. 1 minute, children. Why the voice become less? Now it's clear. Now it's clear. Tell me, now it's better.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
A bit.
Little better.
Yes, sir.
Little better. I don't know why mine is going so less.
Sir, you can just increase your own volume. That also, Mr.
I have increased this complete volume I'm using right now. This is the complete volume what I'm using right now. I can't increase more than this.
Even our volumes are controlled, sir. But then we can properly.
Okay, I'll just speak a bit louder. Okay. So what we can do, children, here, just take the LCM as cos theta here. We can write here cos theta plus sine theta plus 1. Okay. Then we can write here, take sine theta as LCM. So we can write here sine theta plus cos theta minus 1. Is it clear till here? So this is A plus B form. See, this is complete part is A, this is B. Again, this complete part is A, this complete part is B. So this is form of A plus B into A minus B. Is it clear, children, or not? Just think over it. A plus B into A minus B. So what we can write for A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square. That is nothing but cos theta plus sine theta whole square. Cos theta plus sine theta whole square minus 1 square divided by sine theta cos theta. Children's clear till here or not? What I have let here, this complete part is cos theta plus sine theta, complete part is A and 1 is B. Again, sine theta plus cos theta is A and 1 is B. Okay. So getting cos theta plus sine theta whole square minus 1 square divided by sine theta cos theta. Again, we just expand this cos theta plus sine theta whole square. What we can write here? Cos square theta plus sine square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta minus 1 divided by sine theta cos theta. Is it clear, children, or not? You can hear me, all of you. All of you can hear me. So this and this will get cancelled. Why? Because sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 and 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. Okay. So we can write here 2 sine theta cos theta divided by sine theta cos theta will get cancelled. Our answer is 2. So your answer is 2. Is it clear, children, or anyone is having doubt? Anyone is having doubt, children?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Hemant, Adarsh, do you have doubt?
No, sir.
All right. If you are not having doubt, no. Tell me the answer for third one. Others will tell me the answer for this. Javian, how you solve this?
I am also getting cos A. I can tell how I solve.
Wait, let Javian tell the answer first. How he's getting the answer. Javian, tell me the answer. How you're getting, Javian?
I'm telling sir. So,
Okay.
or like I first solved it like in brackets, sec A plus tan A, bracket close, then 1 minus sin A
Okay.
in bracket. Then so bracket opens 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A, brackets closed.
Why we are writing tan A in form of sin A by cos A? Why
Yes,
we are
sir.
writing- Why we are writing tan A in form of sin A by cos A? Why we are writing this?
Like cause
Why?
like sir, we will get the same value sir for both.
Okay. What is cot A? How, if it is cot A, how, what we can write for cot A, Javian? If the value is cot A, how we can write for cot A in form of sin A by cos A? Cot A, what we can write in sin cos form? Suppose you are telling tan A in form of sin A by cos A, right? Javian?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In the same way, if it is cot A, then what you can write for cot A? Do you know or not? If you don't know, I'll move further. Tell me. Javian, tell fast.
Sir, can you just like speak little loud so your volume went really low, sir?
So what I'm saying is tan A you are writing in sin A by cos A form, right?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, what you can write for cot A? In the same way, what you can write for cot A? Now it's clear, it's audible now.
Cos A by sin A.
Tell me, Javian, tell me. Okay, fine.
So we will just change the thing by cos A by sin A, sir.
All right, fine. So see, we can take LCM from first, that is cos A 1 plus sin A in one bracket, and we can write here 1 minus sin A. Now children, see, this is the same form is coming, 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A. What we can write here, A square minus B square divided by cos A. So 1 minus sin square is equal to cos square A. This is the identity, cos square A divided by cos A, where cos A and square will get cancelled. So you'll get the answer as cos A. So your answer is option D. Hope everyone is getting right. Okay.
Yes.
So next question is question number 4. Question number 4, what we need to do, this is question, this is not tan 2A. This is tan square A, children, right? This is tan square A. And this is cot square A. So here you can write tan square A and cot square A. So 1 plus tan square A, you know already, sec square A we can write.
X square.
Divided by 1 plus cot square A is cosec square A.
Cosec square.
Then you convert simple, sec square A we can write 1 by cos square A.
So sin square A by cos square A.
We can write like this, right? So we
Yeah.
can write 1 by cos square A multiply by sin square A. Those who are not getting, I'm writing step by step. So sin square A divided by cos square A is equals to tan square A. Is equals to tan square A. So your answer is this one. This is not 2, this is square. Okay. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
I don't know. People are understanding. All people are understanding or not. I don't know. And I don't think. I think 50% of the people is not knowing. They are not remembering the formulas. That's why they are feeling difficulty. If they remember the formulas, everything is easier, children. Everything will be easy if you remember the formula. Now I'll take only test of. There are two triangles in which we have made two different type of angles. Once we have made that theta is at angle C, and once we made that theta is at angle A. In the both the cases, opposite and adjacent will get interchanged. See in the first figure, if you see this figure, okay, if you see the first figure, your opposite is here, AB is opposite here, and here AB is adjacent. How it is coming? We have to know by the help of this theta. Theta in front of you, what you see, that is opposite. Here theta is here, so opposite is this one. Okay. So first concept is clear or not, children? First concept is clear. Those who are having doubt, I'm just repeating this once again. First concept is clear or not? You children are having so doubt. I don't know. If you only 5 minutes you listen, children, you'll get easily. Listen properly. This you should answer me. Please answer if you're understanding this. So this
Yes.
first concept is
Yes,
clear,
sir.
right? Okay. Now second concept is, here is a second concept, children. We can write this one. Tan theta, we can write it as sine theta by cos theta. Tan theta, we can write it as what? Sine theta by cos theta, means it's the ratio of sine theta by cos theta. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Or we can write cos theta by sine theta. So this is the second concept, children. This is the second concept. First one is two triangles. We are just analyzing whether which is opposite, which is adjacent, and which one is hypotenuse. Okay. Second concept is we are just seeing the reciprocal. That is reciprocal of cosec is sine, or you can say sine reciprocal is cosec. Sec reciprocal is cos, or cos reciprocal is sec. Cot reciprocal is tan, or tan reciprocal is cot. Okay. So this is the second concept. I'm writing with some different pen. If I write some other pen, I'll just write this one. This is the first concept. This is the second concept. Third concept is, you can write here SOHCAHTOA. This is the formula, right? SOH, SOHCAHTOA. So this is the third concept. Like sine is the ratio of opposite by hypotenuse. Cos is the ratio of adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan is the ratio of opposite by adjacent. These three concepts, who is not able to understand? Please let me know. These three concepts. Who is not able to understand? Nobody will answer me. I don't know. Okay. Here everyone will understand. I don't know, but why they are, if you remember this, children, no, nobody will have doubt while solving. Now see, this is the your degree sine. Only first line you should remember here, children. First line only you should remember. If you remember first line, everything is easy. Sine zero value. Sine zero value is 0. Okay. Sine zero value is 0. Sine then cos zero value is what? Cos 0 is 1. Sine, if you remember sine, ulta you should write for cos. Ulta you should write for what? Cos. Okay. Then if you know sine cos, tan is what? Tan is reciprocal of, tan is the ratio of sine by cos. If you divide sine by cos, you'll get tan. Okay. If you divide sine by cos, you'll get what? Tan. Again, cosec theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sine theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sine theta. Okay. So ulta, sine 0 is 0. So cosec 0 is what? What? 0 by 1, 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is what? Not defined. 1 by 0 is what? Not defined. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Again, cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Yeah. So this is the only concept, not much. This is the fourth concept. This is the fourth concept. Then fifth concept is only complementary angles. Fifth concept is complementary angles. This is also easy only. See, this is very easy. Nothing is there. Sine cos, cos tan. Sorry, sine cos, sec cosec, tan cot. That's it. This is a don't you confuse between complementary angles and this sine or this one you confuse. Third one and fourth one you may confuse. Okay. So sine complement is cos, but sine reciprocal is cosec. Remember, children. And the first day when I told you, I don't know you have not remembered this. Now identities. Here you can remember only first, second, and third identity. That's it. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sine square is same only. All similar questions. All similar. This from first line you know means you can write second line and third line. Again 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Again 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So see 1 plus tan and 1 plus cot. Anyone can remember easily. Because tan is reciprocal of cot or tan is complement of cot. See 1 plus tan s st. You remember 1 plus tan square theta sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta cosec square theta. So that's the basic, children. This is the last concept. That's it. Who is having doubt in which concept? Please let me know right now. Anyone tell me which concept you are having doubt? See, so many people left also.
Sir, can you explain the fourth one? How to remember the table?
This one you are saying?
Yes.
See, I'm slowly explaining. Try to understand. Okay, 1 minute. Sine theta, you can remember 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and 1. Only first line can you remember?
Yes, sir.
0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and 1. That's it. Cos theta, you write from back. See, it's right from back or not? See once. Sine theta, we have written from 0 to 1. Cos theta, we are writing from 1 to 0. See, is it clear? Sine theta and cos theta.
Yes, sir.
Who is asking? Pradarshan? Who was asking the question? Do you remember this?
Darshan was asking about.
Okay, fine. So tan theta is the ratio of sine theta and cos theta. You just see 0, sine 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So 0 by 1 is what? 0 only. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. You just divide this both. You will get 1 by root 3. Then sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So what is the ratio of it? 1. So we are just dividing sine theta divided by cos theta. We are just doing sine theta divided by cos theta. And this tan is very easy, children. Tan is very easy because this is 1 by root 3. This is root 3. Cot, you see, cot also, 1 minute. Cot, if you see, the cot here is root 3 and here is 1 by root 3. In between is 1, here also 1, 0, this side also 0, not defined, this is also not defined. See how tan and cot is the easiest part of the whole table. Sine cos you remember easily, and you should do ulta of sine reciprocal is cosec and cos reciprocal is sec. That's it. It's clear or not?
It's clear, sir.
So these all are very easy concepts, children. If you are having doubt, we'll just do one basic concept of this again. So that's for my side. Okay, for today, you can just